Welcome to the International Computer Science Competition final round, and congratulations on reaching this far. This video will guide you through the final round and show you what to expect before, during, and after the exam. First, go to the exam website. Once on the page, you can log in with your email and password. Make sure to use the latest version of Google Chrome or Firefox. Once you logged in, confirm the language in which you wish to take the exam. We recommend to take the exam in English, as the problems were designed and extensively tested for it. All other languages use a translated version. Once you confirm the language, you will see some general information, including the duration of the exam and its process. The order of questions is random. You cannot go back to previous questions, and the exam can only be taken once. You will also see the question types which are used in the final round. You will be asked multiple-choice questions, short-answer questions, and coding questions. The time allocated to each question type and the points awarded for correctly answering them varies between types. For instance, you have 60 seconds to answer a multiple-choice question, but 120 seconds for a short-answer question. In return, short-answer questions reward 2 points instead of just 1. Please note that you must select and write all answers directly in the interface. While you can use pen and paper for note-taking, the final answer must be entered on the screen. You will then go through a system check page, confirming that you can see all equations and functions as intended. Further down, you will see key notation that the exam uses. Make sure to familiarize yourself with it. For the coding questions, you will see for each language the libraries and packages that are automatically imported. Note that you can import additional standard libraries in your code. Non-standard libraries are not supported. You will then have to go through a short time check, confirming that you are taking the exam at the right local time. You will see a warning on this page if you attempt to continue with the exam outside your allocated time window. Should you have made a special arrangement with our team, or if your device's time is incorrect, you may ignore the warning. Next, please confirm that you understand the rules of the exam. You are not allowed to open any other browser tab, Windows or device during the exam. You are not allowed to receive help from other people or the internet. We record several things to detect cheating, such as the time to answer each question or any browser activities. You are responsible for ensuring a working internet connection throughout the full exam. It is not possible to pause, continue, or retake the exam. Next, a teacher has to supervise your exam. To confirm that, your teacher has to approve the exam by opening their teacher account on a computer or a phone. There, it is possible to enter the 6-digit approval code. The page will automatically continue as soon as your teacher has approved you. If you do not have a teacher available, you may use the self-recording option. In this case, please click on Proceed with Self-Recording below. In this case, another person has to record you during the exam with a phone or video camera. The video must include the whole exam from start to end. As shown in this small clip, the video has to clearly show you in front of the computer and the exam content on the screen, such as here, from this angle. On your desk, you are only allowed to have in front of you a pen and paper, a keyboard and mouse, and water. On the bottom of the self-recording page, please enter some information about the person filming. Now you are ready to start the exam. Keep in mind that you have only one try. Click on Start Exam to begin. You will now see your first question. Above it, you can see how far you are in the exam. The Proceed button on the bottom shows you how much time you have left to select or write your answer. Since this question is multiple choice, select one out of the 4 candidates and click on Next. If you run out of time, you will be taken to the next question automatically. For short answer questions, just type your response into the text field. While capitalization doesn't matter, make sure to double-check your answer for any spelling mistakes. Finally, for coding problems, first select the programming language you wish to write in. The function definition should update automatically based on the selected language. In either case, make sure that your function strictly adheres to the function signature in the question. Then write your code inside the indicated parts. The code editor supports syntax highlighting and auto-indentation for Python. That's the end. If you selected the self-recording option, you must now upload your recording to an online storage, such as Google Drive or Dropbox, and share the link with us in your participant account. Do not forget to log out. Good luck and everything best for the final exam.